This is the time of the year when your fitness motivation tends to wane, and for some, disappears completely. Hello, the month of June. We are midway through the year, and my mission is to ensure that you don't fall off halfway through. We still got more work to do, and I know you can do it. But I understand you're tired and you're losing a bit of that motivation. So this month's challenge is gonna be quick and simple, but highly effective. Welcome to my 10 in 10 challenge. We're taking 10 minutes out of our day to complete 10 highly effective exercises to help you in your everyday life. This month, every single workout has a seated component to it. And to make it even more accessible, I invited my wife Kathleen to join us in this challenge. I'll be doing all the seated exercises.
And I'll be doing them standing. You could choose to follow along either seated, standing, or both.
I challenge you to commit to just 10 minutes a day for the next 30 days. Let's do this together. I know you can. Join us right now.
It's incredibly simple and it only takes 10 minutes out of your day.
Just go directly to justinagustin.com or open up the Justin Agustin Fitness app. You can jump in at any time. The challenge will be waiting for you from day 1 to day 30. Follow it at your own pace at any time of the day. The Justin Agustin community welcomes you. You totally got this.